All right, week 5 here. Not going to break a whole lot of new ground. It's going to be largely a week dedicated to getting prepared for our midterm exam. Excuse me, on Thursday. Um, so again, continue to log in each day and complete the attendance requirement. Most days I'm going to have a handful of review questions that'll kind of help you get prepared for that midterm. And we still have our face-to-face Google conference on Wednesday, and that'll be at our normal time, 8:20 to 9 a.m. And largely will be dedicated to reviewing for the midterm on Thursday. And if you could have your college grade sheet available with you, I think it was a green sheet that I handed out at the beginning of the year. But we're going to use some of that time on Wednesday to kind of calculate where you're at with your college grades, so you know exactly where you're at going into the midterm. So have that grade sheet with you. The content videos, I don't know if I'll have many content videos posted this week. There'll be maybe one or two with some review stuff on maybe comparative advantage and the production possibilities frontier. A few of those concepts where we had to do some calculating. I might do a little review video on that. But the big one is going to be the midterm review guide. That will give you an idea of all of the concepts and content that will be on the midterm. The midterm is comprehensive, so it's chapters 1 through 5, and it is 100 points. Your first two quizzes have only been worth 25 points for your college grade, so this is a substantial piece of your college grade to date. So we really want to make sure that we spend some time reviewing and studying this week. It will impact your high school grade, but really going to be an influence on your college grade. Two assignments this week. First one is a shorter one on elasticity. We're kind of wrapping up chapter 5 in elasticity. That's going to be 10 points of your college grade. That's going to be due Tuesday, I believe. Yep, Tuesday. And then assignment number 2 is going to be a review assignment, which is about 35 multiple choice questions, all through chapters 1 through 5. That'll give you a good idea of what the midterm will look like. So we'll work through those, maybe break them up in small pieces as you work through the week. And if you have questions as they come up, let me know, and we can kind of work through some of those practice problems. I think that's a good way to review, is to just work through sample problems that you're going to see. Yeah, that's basically the week. Reminder, we don't have school Friday or the following Monday now, with the decision being made to go with distance learning the rest of the school year. So you will have a long 4-day weekend after the midterm to kind of recharge for the home stretch in the last month of school. Any other questions? Let me know. We'll check in again on Wednesday, but keep looking for content videos and let me know when you have questions on problems in that review assignment. All right, have a good week.